oftentimes we'll be faced with a situation where the law enforcement has not gathered every single piece of evidence or submitted everything to the lab. Well, the easiest way to explain that in court, and jurors really do understand this, is that once there's been an item that's been examined and analyzed and identified to a particular person, that being the defendant who's being prosecuted in court, there's really no need to have 2 and 3 and 4 pieces of evidence that point to that person, unless there's some allegation that there are multiple perpetrators involved.
Can a prosecutor argue when, after the defense says, hey, what about this evidence that they didn't type? That must be from the person that really committed the crime. There's a significant legal question. Can the prosecutor say that the defense could type the evidence too? And the answer to that in almost every state in this country is yes, absolutely.
So I passed a law a few years ago, and it stated that if we are going to outsource any of this live casework, it must be done with the approval of the prosecuting agency. I want the prosecutors to make a decision on whether or not this is an appropriate lab that should be doing this type of work.